What's up YouTube? Today I'm reviewing the James Brand Elko All Black Edition. A tiny but mighty keychain knife that can do more than just opening boxes. It's a two-handed opening knife, with the use of a nail nick. And one of the things I love most about the James Brand is the minimalistic design. There is minimal branding with just the logo and the name. It's a slip joint locking mechanism, so in a lot of areas you are allowed to carry this knife, but please follow up your local laws. And since this is a smaller knife, you have to adjust how you use it, of course, but for smaller tasks it's a great knife. On top we have a keychain hole, which also functions as a scraper. The knife does come with a keychain ring, which you can also buy separately on their website. You can feel it's made from sturdy and high quality materials. One of the things I immediately notice is the fact that the black coating is easily damaged when it comes in contact with another sharp material such as the keychain ring. In terms of size, the Elko is similar to the smallest Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Of course, the Swiss Army knife is packed with multiple tools, where the Elko only has two. But the blade is built very different, and is much bigger. And it weighs only 30 grams and uses a Sandvik 12C27 steel typing. The handle is made from aluminium. Another great product from the James Brand is the Harden, an EDC carabiner. Great for hooking on to your Elko. And of course, together with the Ulu, the James Brand bead. You can also just hook your Elko onto a keychain for everyday activities. Due to its smaller size and weight, you barely notice it's there. Or just combine it with a small flashlight, covering most challenges during the day. What are your thoughts on the James Brand Elko? Let me know in the comments down below.